What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to clear the maintenance required message, which will also reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2015 Toyota Prius. Like I said, it's a 15 Prius in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. And the Prius we're going to be looking at here has a push-button start ignition. So the first thing we want to do with the vehicle on is make sure that our dash is showing trip A. And we're going to see that right down here. If you're not showing trip A, what you'll need to do is press the trip button on the right-hand side of your steering wheel until it does. Once you have trip A up, what we're going to do is press and hold down this kilometer miles per hour button and continue to hold that down throughout the whole thing until I tell you to release it. So press and hold that down. With your thumb, turn the vehicle off. Now start the vehicle as you normally would. And again, I'm still holding down that kilometer mile per hour button. So press the brake in, hit the power button. And then if you see on the dash here, it says resetting maintenance data. Once that's complete, then you can let go of that kilometer mile per hour button. So that's it. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.